Yo, what's up, beautiful people? Today, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring the famous, one of the most beautiful and luxurious places in South Africa. From the giant statue of the amazing restaurants, shopping mall, and the stunning atmosphere. This place is on another level. If you love travel, lifestyle, and adventure, make sure you watch until the end because today's experience is unforgettable. Right now, I'm standing in front of the iconic statue of Nelson Mandela, a place that carries the weight of freedom, struggle, and victory. This is more than just a statue. It's history in front of my eyes. Alright guys, we are finally inside here. And honest, this place is even more beautiful than I expected. Just look around guys, the environment is super clean, the buildings are modern, the atmosphere is peaceful, and everywhere I look feel like luxurious. From high-end shopping stores to beautiful restaurant cafes. This place truly gives international vibe. And of course, behind me is the famous statue of one of the greatest leaders in Africa history. Seeing this statue in real life is such an amazing feeling because it represents freedom, peace, and the history of South Africa. Today, I'm going to take you guys around Mandela Square so you can experience everything with me. The views, the lifestyle, the people, and the beauty of this iconic place. If this is your first time watching my channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video, turn on notification because we are bringing more travel adventure from different places around Africa. Trust me, today's vlog is going to be special. Let's continue exploring Mandela Square together. Right now, I'm walking through one of the most iconic places in South Africa, the famous Nelson Mandela Square. This place is not just a shopping and lifestyle destination. It's a symbol of history, freedom, modern luxury, all mixed together. As I move around here, you can feel the energy everywhere. People from different countries, luxury restaurants, tall buildings surrounding the square, and the powerful statue of Nelson Mandela standing proudly in the center, reminding everyone of the journey South Africa has been through. Even every corner here feels alive. The atmosphere is peaceful yet vibrant at the same time. You can hear different language, see stylish fashion, and experience that international street vibe that makes Sandton one of the most visited places in Africa. In today's video, I'm going to take you with me as I explore every part of this square, from open walking areas to the luxury shop, the restaurant, and of course, the iconic statue area where we all see first before we go inside the shop. People stop and take pictures. I will show you the real experience, not just from the tourist view, but like we actually walking together in real time. So stay with me because this is more than just a walk. It's a journey through one of the most famous landmarks in Johannesburg. And with that, our walk through Nelson Mandela Square come to an end. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next amazing destination.